Okay, so in our last video, we were discussing about the difference of drawing a line from a polyline. Okay, so this four-sided object is made out of lines, and then if I wanted to use a polyline, a P-line, I can also draw the same object. And then if you remember, the difference is lines made by objects made by lines are separate lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. But objects made by polylines is going to be just one object. Okay. All right. Now, we can always change how corners of closed objects looks. Under modify, okay, you have here the fillet command, and if you click fillet, okay, you can define the radius. All right. So if you define the radius, let's say 1, press enter. Okay. If I now select two lines, fillet, and then the radius is 1, enter. Okay, and if I select the two lines of a polyline, it will round that corner. Okay, see, it's now rounded. Now the radius is too small, so if I do fillet, and then let's type a bigger radius, let's say 50, enter. Okay, and if I click now one side and one adjacent side, okay, it should give us a bigger radius now. Did it bigger the radius? Let's do it again. Fillet, radius 50, press enter, and then I select one line and another line, and then there is the zoom extents, and then there's the rounded corner. It's too big, huh? 1 was this one here, that's 1, okay, and 50 is this round. So let's say I want to do a 20 rounded corner here. I just do fillet, click radius, type 20, press enter, and then select the two lines that makes a corner. Okay, now what happens if I do it here? Well, let's look. Click fillet, click radius. Let's make a radius of 10, 10, press enter. Okay, and then select one object and select the other object. You do the same thing. Okay, but the difference is, if I press escape, these are separate objects. Even the arc now is separate. Okay, but over here, when I click on it, it's still one object. Okay, because whenever you do a rounded corner using the fillet command, it is a separate object if you are clicking two lines, but if you are selecting parts of a polyline, that rounded corner will be part of the polyline. Alright, so that's lesson day. Why don't you follow that one? Create two shapes. One is from the line, one from polyline, and then let's practice doing a fillet and adjusting the radius. Okay?